Hi friends, this is Chris with Peace of Mind, and I'm just going to bring you a real short video on this one to show you some of the slow stitch stuff that I've been working on. Actually, these are two of my kits. This is the Christmas kit, and I believe I showed you this one last year. This is the Christmas kit that is finished up. But I just thought I'd show it to you again because I'm gonna kind of make a run, start doing a lot of Christmas. Not a lot, but I never do a lot of Christmas items, but I do some, and I'll promote my Christmas kit, which is on Etsy. My kits will come with the fabrics, come with thread, and then also like ribbons. This is a little bit of the tulle that's kind of has a little glitter in it that I put over. This was a picture of a window looking outside to a cabin and a tree. And here's a fabric that had a little deer and some Christmas trees on it. And you will get fabrics similar to these and laces similar to these, ribbons. It may not be the exact same one. If you do see one that you like in some of the samples that I made up, then let me know and I'll see if I still have those. And I also, speaking of when on my one of my last little bits, I showed you how to put some beads on. Here's the tree. It's an outside tree, but I sewed some little gold beads on it, and I'll raise it up so you can see a little bit better. And that makes a nice kind of a finishing touch on there. So I just wanted to show you that because that is a sample of what you can make if you ordered the kit, or just watch one of my videos to find out how I make my slow stitches. And if you have enough fabrics and laces and so on of your own, you can just do it on your own. Okay, and this is for size, this is 8x6, which is a good size that might fit on top of a cover for a journal. Or I plan on making some of these covers for journals, but also I plan on, let me show you one that I did. Last year, you may have seen this. This is another sample of the kit that I made, my own Christmas kit that I made up and then used on a cover for a Christmas journal. And there's a video on this also. I'll try to link that down below in the information box down below. But this I made, and then I put it onto the cover of the journal. I covered the back and front of the journal with this pretty Christmas fabric, and then I added this to it, which is another example of what you could do with a finished slow stitch. Okay, so that was the Christmas one. This one is the one that I had for my, I had never really made up one for this, by the sea slow stitch kit that I have in my Etsy. Excuse me, I need a drink. Got a little choked up there. But I had never made a kit out of it to show you, what it looks like finished. So I did that here recently. I really had a lot of fun. I used some ribbon and kind of pleated it up as I went and sewed it down with the embroidery floss as I went along. And of course I did some slow stitches. I did some seaweed coming up here. Used the stem stitch for that. I put some of the shell beads, and these will come with the kit. These little beads that have hole, or these little shells that have holes in them. And you can sew them down to the fabric. I put a couple of charms on here. And I really had a lot of fun with this one. Of course, I love the beach, so... and I love mermaids. So I thought I would show you this. This is a completed by the Sea kit that I have on my Etsy shop. You will get the fabrics, the laces, the ribbons, the charms, etc. to make your own. And this one also is 6x8. And this one comes with a background. The background is blue rather than a muslin. It's a blue, like a blue cotton, to kind of bring out the blue color of the sea. So, thank you for watching today. And if you'd like, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love it if you would subscribe. And then that way you will get information of when I put a new video on. I am going to have a video coming up about my slow stitch covers for the stitchery books that I make. So it's going to be on slow stitch and my stitchery books. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you have a wonderful day today. Thanks for watching. Peace of mind.